So what we're going to be talking about is the comparison between SUI and Aptos. Okay, we want to use the success and failures of Aptos, okay, to predict the possible trend, the possible future for SUI. Okay, judging from the fact that they raised several millions of dollars, during their private raise. Okay, so we're not using that metrics to compare, because if you look at the chart of SUI, okay, you're not going to be able to find much data for analysis on their charts. Okay, there's absolutely no data. Okay, one day candle, and this is the second day candle right here, so you don't have much data to analyze the coin from technical viewpoint. Okay, so but we're going to be analyzing it from uh technical viewpoints, sorry, for fundamental viewpoints. Then we use Aptos to kind of do backward integration. Okay, do a kind of backward integration for this. Okay, so now let's go real quick to this, to um Aptos again. So SUI raised, okay, $300 million at 2 billion evaluation. Okay, and during their exchanges, during their public sales, they're able to raise 49 million dollars during their public sales. Okay, and the Binance users were able to stake 4 billion worth of crypto to farm SUI tokens. Okay, so that is it from Binance. There you can stake your BNB and some other coins to farm it on Binance platform. Okay, that is gonna be a big opportunity for wheels. Yeah, that's true. So now, how much did Aptos raise? Okay, let's have a look. So Aptos Lab raises $150 million in crypto venture funding, right? That was last year. They raised $150 million, and SUI raised times two of what Aptos raised. Okay, so technically, SUI have more marketing budgets than Aptos. Okay, I need you guys to follow along. Okay, I want you to follow along. Okay, and the investments one was led by FTX, and same thing also applied to SUI. Okay, SUI also got investments from FTX at the same time. Okay, so when you look at these metrics, okay, then technically, fundamentally, they both have a huge budget for marketing. Okay, even $50 million is not a small amount of money. It's a whole lot of big money. All right, so we have to look at that. Then things you need to pay attention to also, okay, is the supply. Look at the supply of Aptos. Aptos have total supply of 1.032 billion. Okay, and right now they only have less than 200 million worth of Aptos in circulation. Okay, so when you look at that and you look at SUI, they have a higher market cap than they have a higher market cap. So he had supply, total supply, than Aptos. Okay, so the supply is probably almost 10 times of this, isn't it? Almost 10 times of this. So we're going to be doing some extrapolation, okay, some interpolation, and also some extrapolation with this data. So if you look at these guys now, just yesterday and now, they have a total supply of 528 million supply in the market. Okay, and that makes the market cap to be $744 million at the moment. Okay, so, and they have a massive volume of close to 2 billion. Okay, and that is why we're having a volume to market cap ratio of 2.6. That looks unrealistic. Okay, and I believe this is going to drop to 0.2 very soon. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so now if you look at the market cap, okay, then the market cap of Aptos is 1.89 billion dollars. Okay, look at this. 744 is quite far from 14 billion. Okay, 744 million is quite far. That's about 2x more than, okay, that's about 2x, 20x rather. The FDMC is about 20x more than the market cap. Okay, that shows that there's going to be a lot of dilution. Okay, So this market cap will be further diluted. All right. So I'm not going to be surprised if you have SUI trading for a much lower price in the next 3 to 4 months. Okay. Or probably next 2 to 3 months. Then if you look at Aptos, let's have a look at the Aptos charts. Okay. APT right here. Yeah. This is Aptos. This is Aptos charts. Okay. So if you look at this, it actually enjoys some hype, some massive form. Look at the week. Okay, the all-time high was $100 per Aptos. Okay, then it dropped gradually. It dropped all the way from that point. And the low price was $3.1, per Aptos. Okay, and this happened between a period of from launch. Okay, okay, from launch, that's about 83 days. Okay, it took up to 83 days, on the journey of price recovery. Okay, price discovery. Okay, with between 83 days is about 3 months. Okay, it took up to about 3 months to discover the true price. Okay, the true price. Okay, then from that level, then it began to move up back. Okay, it began to move up back to what? To this price. Okay, it began to move up to, and it enjoy 400% ROI. Okay, 400% ROI. So those who are able to buy the floor, the bottom of Aptos, they probably enjoy 400% ROI in the investment. Okay, so when you see that the new token is launched, okay, the first thing is not for you to start aping on it. Okay, I saw SUI price yesterday. I checked the supply. I knew that, come on, that is not a realistic points to buy. Okay, because if you look at this from the all-time high of SUI, it dropped to $3. Okay, losing about 90% of the value from all-time high. Okay, so but it opened, but let's even use the open and closing price. Okay, it opened at 1.14 for that day and it's closed at 7.4 for that day. Okay, then if you look at the price history, the opening and closing price for SUI, based on the data from market cap, let's look at the historical data right here. Okay, we only have one historical data. So it opened at what? At 4.4, 4.5, and it closed at 1.4. Okay, this was the open price and this was the closing price for that day. Okay, and it had a high of 4.5 also the same day, isn't it? Okay, so when you look at this data that you're seeing right here, okay, there's still a probability that you're going to be seeing a SUI at probably 90 cents. Okay, 90 cents. It is very possible, guys. It is very possible. Okay, so you're going to be seeing at probably 90 cents. Then it's going to start a discovery. Okay, it's going to start a sort of price discovery that might take some time. Okay, a price discovery that might take some time. Okay, so because we are still in a bearish market. Okay, we're still in a bearish market, as you can see right now. Okay, we are not out of the bull. We're not in a bullish market at the moment. Okay, so we're still going to go on a price discovery journey. Okay, so I would like to actually pick SUI at a price below $1. Okay, $1. Okay, so I'm going to be buying some and add it to my own personal portfolio, and also I manage portfolio for a couple of investors, so I'm going to be adding that also to their portfolio. Okay, um, based on the fact that coins that are listed during the bear market, they tend to outperform other coins, okay, during the bull season. Okay, so based on that, I was able to get Aptos, very close to the floor price. Okay, and also I'm gonna be waiting for SUI and hope to pick SUI also very close to the floor price, because nobody can accurately time the floor price as far as financial market is concerned. Not only in crypto, whether in stocks markets, in forex market, you cannot really pick the floor price of any assets. Okay, that is technically not possible. Okay, you cannot pick the floor price of any assets. All right, so when you look at this, okay, you should be patient. Okay, I don't advise to buy the current top of SUI. Okay, wait for a lot of people that got in, they are got in early. Wait for them to dump whatever they have. Okay, whatever they have. About 100,000 people participated. So if 100,000 people participated, what you should be looking out is uh okay is that they gave 1,500 token to everyone that were able to buy during the public sales. Okay, they gave them 1,500 coin. Okay, so you have to wait for these guys to to keep selling. So the sell pressure needs to be very, very low. Like you have to see the sell pressure on the chart before you think of buying SUI. Okay. So but if you're gonna be trading SUI on probably perpetual contract on Houbi, because I understand that SUI has been listed in the perpetual contract on Houbi. So it makes sense to it makes sense to keep open your short position. Okay, even yesterday was a nice time to open a short position. Okay, because uh I knew there would be some sell pressure. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this to my watch list. So there will be some kind of sell pressure right there. Okay, and that would have been a nice opportunity for you to make some quick bucks from that. Okay, so you buy the rumor, then you sell the news. Okay, that's how crypto works, right? Okay, so um you should be able to understand this. You should be able to have patience. Okay, to just hit it and start buying the top. All right, because I believe that the patience dog will hit the fattest bone. Okay, that is my belief. All right, so in as much as this is crypto, okay, this is not meme coin. It is a solid project. Okay, it's a solid project. So you have to be patient. Okay, you have to be patient. So, guys, if you have any questions so far, okay, you'd like to ask me any question, feel free to let me know in the live chats, okay, because I'm going to be glad to reply your questions, okay. I'll be glad to reply your questions, okay. So, if you're just watching me now, okay, I want you to do something for me. I want you to hit the follow button. There's a follow button at the top of this live stream. Okay, kindly hit that follow button and follow me right now. Okay, and also look at the like button. Okay, and use the like button to pop up the emojis, the like emoji, the Bitcoin emoji, the love emoji. They are all there. Okay, so that's how to stay actively engaged with me during this live stream session. All right. So you need to stay actively engaged during this live stream session. Okay, so these are things you have to pay attention to. Um, let's have a look at the possible entry levels. Okay, the possible entry levels. Okay, from the listing price. Now, this is a point that we have to interpolate. Okay, this is a point where we have to interpolate. All right, we have to interpolate right here. Look at APT, which is the apt. Okay, from the closing price for that day. Okay, the day it was launched, it got to the floor price of, let me say, 3.35. Okay, that is about 50% loss. Okay, about 50% dip from the closing price. All right. So, and the opening price was what? Was 0.1. Okay, 0.1. So when you look at the closing price for that day, okay, and you look at the closing price for Aptos, it's not the same thing, right? Okay, but if you're going to be judging by the closing price, okay, it's going to be a realistic price to pick SUI starting from 90 cents, 80, and 70 cents. Okay, so something like you're doing your dollar cost averaging. All right, so that would be a very, very nice levels to buy. Okay, a very, very nice level to buy. Okay, you buy and you hold it right there. Okay, you hold it right there. Okay, so if you like, you can stake it in the blockchain. You can use whatever you buy to farm some other coins on the blockchain because they are going to be listing quite a number of new projects. But you have to look before you leap. Okay, whatever token that you have, you must not use to farm, on any platform that may have a potential exploitation. Okay, because if the platform is exploited, then definitely your coin may be gone. Okay, otherwise it's going to be better to rather keep your coin in your private wallets, okay, rather than using to farm for more coins. Okay, so that is an expected price level for SUI. Okay, let me duplicate this. So let me duplicate this. Let me say SUI. Okay, so I'm going to type this now. Expected levels. Okay, entries for me. Okay, this is going to be my favorite entry, 0.9. Okay, then my next entry is 0.8, and my last entry will be like 0 point, which is a 70 cents, 0.7. Yeah, that's going to be my last entry price. Okay, that's going to be my last entry price for SUI. Okay, as you can see right here on my chart. So I'm going to be leaving this here for future reference purpose only. Okay, for future reference purpose only. Okay, so that's going to be my possible entry prices. Okay, let me say possible entry levels. Okay, so yeah, for reference purpose. So I can say, like I told you, I'm not going to be buying now. I'm going to be waiting for price discovery to occur, and that could take about 90 days. Okay, between 60 to 90 days. So I'm going to be waiting for that to occur before I make any buy decision or see. Okay, so and if you didn't get my price, come on, there are other coins to invest into. Okay, so I'm not going to feel like I've missed out. Okay, I'm not going to FOMO. I'm not going to feel like I've missed out of the price action. No, I'm not going to feel that at all, at all. Okay, so um, let me see if you have any question in the live chat so that I can reply to your questions if you have any question. Okay, so these are the possible. Okay, so these are the possible entry levels. Okay, entry levels for it. Okay, so no matter what, I'm not going to FOMO. All right, so I rather open short position. I rather open a short position on Houbi futures. Okay, I rather open a short position on Houbi futures. Okay, so follow me now for future for analysis. Yeah, for analysis and price prediction. Okay, so now I hope you enjoyed this live stream. Okay, let me go to YouTube. If you are active on YouTube, this is what I want you to do for me. I want you to go to YouTube right now and search for crypto niche, okay, because all my analysis and price predictions, they're always available on YouTube, okay. So you type channel, okay, so then you see a channel with 1.8k subscribers, okay, then you hit the icon, you hit this icon, all right, then you hit this icon, then you follow me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. And also, if you are active on Telegram, this is exactly what to do, okay. So just go to Telegram on your mobile or your phone right now, then search for at crypto niche underscore hangouts. Okay, this is where you hang out. Okay, this is where I draw my technical analysis, my price prediction. This is my charts. Okay, for Polkadot, and price is moving like this right now. Okay, like this right now. Okay, so this is my analysis for Polkadot. Some other analysis for Pepcoin is here. Okay, so you have to follow up on this. This is for Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum analysis is right here. You can see. Okay, I told you that Ethereum is going to go back up again. Okay, and what? Check the current price now. Okay, but after a while, if this energy is successfully completed, then Ethereum will have another leg down very soon. Okay, that will be around June this year, possibly. Okay, so if you want to follow up on all of this analysis and price prediction, you have to search for Crypto Niche Hangouts. You can join our community on Telegram. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this live stream session. I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day.